Changing your username on Expedia is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your account information. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Expedia website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Account Settings menu, look for an option labeled Personal Information or Account Information. Click on this to access your username settings. Step 4. Edit your username. Find a section that displays your current username. Click on the Edit button or link next to it. Enter your desired new username in the provided field. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your new username. Now you have successfully changed your username on Expedia. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Expedia customer support for assistance.